This is the chart for US30 of Dow Jones, 1 minute time frame, a good chart for fair value gap strategy, using fair value gap strategy. We had this is the New York session, begin 60:30 GMT plus 3, and we can notice that we have a bullish trend from here to here, and during a day we have no important news. I've noticed that this kind of pattern where the trend is bullish just until the New Year session, and after that it's going down. We can see this is the start, this candlestick with big wick, long wick as the start of the New Year session, and we can see a kind of trap here. We have a rejection from moving average 100, and this is an important, we've read many red lines, important level. This we've read are important levels. And this chart is suitable for fair value gap. Tell us some clue about the direction of the trend. We can see big fair value gap here, a gap between the wick of the upper candlestick and the wick of the lower candlestick. This FVG, it's a kind of magnet for future direction of the trend. We can see the trend, reach to this level and beyond, and in the downtrend we can see here another fair value gap here. We have an important gap between the upper candlestick and the wick of the upper candlestick and the wick of the lower candlestick, and we can see that the price is attracted to this level of liquidity. We have level of liquidity in this zone, and we have a rejection for this important level. Yes, we have a rejection from this red level, price level, where we have a rejection right on until this area of the fair value gap. So we can expect, after we saw the rejection, we can expect that the trend stop on this region, and we can put after the first bearish candlestick, we can put a sell stop here, and we can see that it's a good opportunity for sell. We can see another fair value gap here, another fair value gap here. The trend, we can see the wick of this. It's a kind of sign that the trend is stopped just temporarily on this red line. This green line is we can see these green lines are drawn by an expert advisor. So the trend is downwards. We have a rejection until when? A rejection until the fair value gap here, and the green line, also the green line is a good instrument that help a lot for trading, noticed by me. Anyway, we can see retraction until this fair value gap here. We have the downwards, another movement downwards here until this important level. We have another retraction here. This red line is an important level. Retraction be just a little bit under this level to preserve the direction of the trend, and continue the trend until this important level. We can notice that this level of liquidity is still here. This level of liquidity, this level of liquidity was swept, so we can expect we have a rejection from this important level, and we have here another important level, and we can see that this fair value gap has a magnet for the trend, and the trend is stopped right here at this fair value gap. We can enter with a sell order from here. Yes, this is the fair value gap that I mentioned. We can put a sell order here, and we also look carefully for another fair value gap from this trend. We can notice here another fair value gap and a final fair value gap here. So when the trend is moving bearish from this level of liquidity, also it forms another fair value gap, but we are looking for a kind of rejection where we see the rejection appear here, but appear also after this fair value gap. We have a rejection until a new fair value gap form here. A rejection until here. This is going down until the final fair value gap from here. So this fair value gap, it's an important tool to estimate the start of the trend and the end of the trend, and even some retraction. Also, we can see another fair value gap, that liquidity that is still available here. So we have a trend from here to this red line, very important, and also there is a rejection from this moving average 200. Okay, we have a pullback here, a high, low, starting from here, and the final of the trend is here at the level of this fair value gap. So we have this trend from here to here, fair value gap here. So we can see the fair value gap decides the beginning of the trend and even the final of the trend. Very, very important tool. Also, we have a beginning of the trend here, and also we have here the end of the trend, but let's look if we have a fair value gap in the left side. No, there is just a price level here. Okay, but very important tool is fair value gap. The trend is back here at this level. Take this liquidity and start lower and lower. This is the 20th of June 2025. Very good opportunity to apply this strategy with fair value gap.